everyone, Michelle here with the Real Asset Queen. Today I want to share with you another way that we can use cap rate when looking at a commercial building. So from last time we learned that cap rate is actually looking at the profitability of a building, and it's the relationship between the property's value and the net operating income. Now, if we want to determine the value of a property, all we need to do is divide the net operating income by the known area cap rate, and that will give us an estimated value. So let's plug in some numbers. So we have $66,000 in net operating income. We're going to divide that by an 11% cap rate, and that's going to yield an estimated value of $600,000. Now, what do we do with that number? Well, that $600,000 represents what the property value should be based on the net operating income. So we can look at, is the sales price higher? Is it lower? And then we can ask some reasonable questions as to why those things might be. So I hope this was helpful, and please like, share, comment. I would love to hear from you, and we will see you next time. Okay, bye.